Hello, Arthur. Joe Griese.
And I'm Mike Egli with Holiday Automotive. We'd like to thank you for your inquiry on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. Joe, why don't we show him why this is the vehicle he should be considering as a replacement to his 2006 Mazda.
Arthur, in 2022, we refreshed the front end. We gave it a nice bold look, also with some LED headlights and daytime running lights. With the 4-cylinder 1.5 turbo with this one, you're also going to have great get-up speed on the freeway, and also it's going to give you great fuel economy with the rise in prices. I remember you mentioned that safety is important to you. With the front collision alerts that we have new for 22, so just in case William's in the back seat distracting you and the vehicle stops in front of you, it will alert you and brake for you. Another nice thing is we got the adaptive cruise, which is really nice for long road trips.
And what that's going to do is that's going to keep a safe traveling distance between you and the car in front of you. It will automatically brake and slow you as well if need be. In addition to that, the vehicle is equipped with the side blind zone alert. Side blind zone is going to monitor a car length back and a car length over in the lane to keep you from merging into a lane where there are cars present. In addition, we also have the lane keep assist with lane departure warning. If, as you're watching little William in the back seat, instead of paying attention, it's going to put you back in the lane, keeping you away from an accident. With this brand new Equinox, storage is not going to be a problem. I know you pack everything but the kitchen sink. There's, 63.9 cubic feet of storage in the Equinox. But what does that really mean? It means a full-size cooler, luggage, a stroller, backpacks, a wagon, golf clubs, you name it. There's even a great hidden storage compartment down here for Dad's beer. You can even use the available roof rack and cross rails to put your kayak up above your vehicle.
There's a lot of space over here in the back seat of the second row with the armrest / cup holder. Also for your long trips, what's really nice is you got some HVAC for the kids, USBs, a 110 outlet, and plenty of room for car seats for the long trip.
New for 2022, the Chevrolet Equinox is equipped with a 360-degree surround vision. What a wonderful invention that shows you all the way around the vehicle to keep you out of harm's way. The 8-inch Infotainment Center offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and new for 2022, it's even wireless. I also want to point out that since you chose an all-wheel drive version, this is selectable. So as you're traveling up north in the wintertime, you have 4-wheel drive, sure-footed traveling with the all-wheel drive feature. It also has a USB and a USB-C port in the front dash. You have 2 more hidden charging ports in the center console as well. Arthur, I'd like to thank you for taking time with us today.
We invite you to come see it in person and take it for a test drive. We are easily located on the corner of 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. We'll make it
Worth the trip.